sell on eBay, fulfill with Amazon, here's how to automate the entire process. So what's going to happen is you're going to list your product on eBay, right? And you're going to have a product on Amazon. Now, the Amazon product should be the same one as the eBay product, right? And you should have FBA inventory. So you can see we've got FBA inventory, got the same exact product on eBay, right? And then the next thing is you want to make sure the SKUs are the same. So you're going to have your SKU on Amazon, just copy that. Make sure the SKU is the same on eBay. You're going to implement this tool. What the tool is going to do is if somebody orders the product on eBay, Amazon's automatically going to get notified. They're going to take 1 unit out of your FBA inventory. They're going to ship it to the customer automatically on eBay and automatically put the tracking number on eBay as well. Pretty awesome, practically automation. It's not drop shipping. It's literally using Amazon as a fulfillment center as it should be used. So you're just going to Google map my channel. It's going to be this one right here. This is the tool. It's completely free. You're going to click login. Then let me make sure I'm not logged in yet. Okay, so once you're here, you're going to click sign up. Then you're going to sign up. You're going to put a username, test1234. test1234 at gmail.com. You're going to put your password. And you're going to click sign up. Bada bing. Once you sign up, you're going to connect your eBay account. Then you're going to connect your Amazon account. And then you're going to be completely signed up. They're going to give you a free trial for like a paid service. Don't worry about it. It's not going to cost you any money. And then pretty much as long as you follow the steps right here, it'll all be connected. And what's going to happen is once there's an order, it's going to come in and it's going to look just like this. So it's going to have the order ID on eBay and it's going to have view on Amazon to show you that it's connected to your Amazon account. Once it does that, everything's good to go and you'll see it's shipped and delivered, and then Amazon's automatically going to ship it, take the tracking number from eBay, put the tracking information in, everything's going to be integrated. You can also check out the integration, make sure everything's set up just like this is my recommendation. So that way everything's synced and good to go. You can also go through the settings, so you can click the little pencil icon right here, and you can make sure that Amazon ships it to the eBay customer in a blank box. That way they don't know it's coming from Amazon, because maybe that could raise some red internal flags to the customer and they get all upset that you're like ripping them off. Who knows? Also, manage your mapping is just putting all the tracking methods. So if you're shipping via USPS, first class, you want to just put that in there. If you're shipping via FedEx, all that fun stuff, manage your mappings, put that in there. If there's any errors, there's also a support team at Map My Channel that'll do it. You can check out the plans right here. So they're going to put you on like a paid plan and you're not going to have your credit card in there. But what you can do is just downgrade to a free plan. The free plan works great. Once you get tons of orders, you can always upgrade to the growth plan, which is just fine. But when you first start, you can just start with the free plan. It works just fine. If you need other information on how to do this, you can just go into the link in the description, click our website, go to courses, and I have a step-by-step course on exactly how to do this more in depth. But I think you can figure it out yourself. If you need a course, I got you. If you need a course on how to connect your Amazon to your TikTok and how to sell on TikTok, I've also got that. So a lot of different options for you just to succeed on different platforms, because Amazon's not the only platform you should be selling on, in my professional opinion. That's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon or eBay videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full account management. This is where we're going to be expanding you to TikTok for you, managing these connections, managing the platforms, so you can be an international seller instead of just selling on one platform. We're going to help you, and we're going to be running your ads, dealing with customer service, designs, all that good stuff, so you can grow your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.